In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Power BI reports. Whether you're just getting started with Power BI or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you create professional, insightful reports with ease. First things first, you'll need to open your Power BI program or visit the Power BI website. This is where it all begins, and having a stable internet connection or properly installed software will make a big difference in your experience. Once you have Power BI open, you'll face your first decision, selecting the data source you want to use. Now, you have a choice here. You can either jump right in with a specific data source, or if you prefer, start with a blank report and customize from there. Next, you'll want to import the data you'll be working with. You have several options here for data sources. You can bring in data from an Excel sheet, connect to an SQL server, or even paste your data directly into a blank table if your data set is relatively small. For this demonstration, though, I'll be using sample data to keep things straightforward and clear. Now comes the data import process. Once you've selected your data, go ahead and click Load. Power BI will then take care of pulling in your data, setting the stage for the visualization work ahead. With your data now loaded into Power BI, it's time to decide how you want to visualize it. Take a look at the right panel on the interface, where you'll find a variety of visualization diagram options. Here, you can choose the visual representation that best suits your needs, whether it's a simple bar chart, a more complex scatter plot, or any other type of graph. Once you've selected your desired visualization, it's time to bring your data to life. Head over to the data panel on the left, and using your mouse, simply drag and drop the fields you want to showcase onto the visualization you've selected. Power BI does the heavy lifting here, automatically generating the visual based on your inputs, providing you with immediate insights into your data. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to build a Power BI report from scratch, starting with data import and ending with a dynamic visualization. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different data sources and visualization types to see what works best for your specific needs. With Power BI, the possibilities are endless, and with this foundational knowledge, you're well on your way to creating compelling data-driven stories. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!